Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about an everyday winter makeup look which is perfect for dry skin. So let's get started. So if you want to see my skincare routine for winter time, you will have to wait for another video. I will share it in a separate video. I do not like to use foundations on an everyday basis when it comes to winter time. So it's always good to have a BB cream. So the BB cream that I'm going to be using is this one by Mars. It is their BB cream. This is actually super duper affordable as well. It retails for just rupees 250. So this BB cream actually has very good coverage. I'm in the shade 02 light. This BB cream is a little drying in the sense that it is not very drying, but it is a little drying. So how I like to use it is that I take my same moisturizer, the amount of BB cream and the amount of moisturizer, I do it 50-50. Next step is completely optional, but I also like to add in a little bit of primer like this one by Ilana. This is actually a strobe cream. Now you can use it like this. You can absolutely skip this. It gives the similar effect minus a little bit of shimmer and glow that it adds, but this combination will not feel drying at all. Also make sure you use just a little bit of strobe cream, because if you do it a lot, it's not going to look natural for every day. So I've made it in a concoction, and the moisturizer added in the BB cream actually doubles it up. Now this is not exactly the perfect shade for me, but the undertone matches me, so I really like it. So I'm going to blend it with a brush. Now a lot of people ask me about the brushes that I use. So I have a lot of high-end, like a good range brushes, and I also have a few very affordable brushes. So I'll make a different video on that. So I'm using this a flat brush to apply it. Now you can instantly see that how hydrating it looks. It looks as if my skin is wet. Oily skin people can obviously skip this step. They can add in a little bit, but I like to add like 50-50. Now you can see that this BB cream has such good coverage. Now then I'm also again going in with the sponge to sort of pick up extra product, because the brush just sort of pats the product on top. So I'm using this beauty blender. This is actually a dry beauty blender. It has not been wet. So what I'm doing is I am just patting it on my skin to sort of pick up extra product. Now you would have seen that a lot of product has gone, but still the dewiness stays and it looks very natural, and the coverage is also there. So yeah, this is how it looks like. If you feel like products crease around your this areas or on your smile lines, please make sure to set it, because you've put in moisturizer, your makeup will get into fine lines and wrinkles. So maybe you can set your under eyes, your eyelids and your T-zone if you want. I generally do not like that, but I'm gonna anyway do it today to show you. So you can take a little bit of powder and set it. Now even if you set your under eyes, the dewiness on your cheeks will not go. Now please make sure that you do not set your cheeks at this point, because we are going to apply a cream blush. For the blush, now I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution blush, and this is in the shade You Had Me at First blush. It is that hot pink Barbie color. It gives that flushed look on me personally, like you've just been out in cold and your cheeks are super pink, your nose is super pink. So that's why I like to use this blush. So I'm going to take a little bit, not a lot. Okay, so I actually ended up applying a lot. So I'm going to blend it. Can you not see? Okay, so I'm gonna wipe off a little bit because I actually clearly applied a lot of it. Now for that I am cold look, you have to just apply it on the like this part of your nose. So I'm not gonna take it a lot on top, we're gonna just stay on the tip. So it's going to look like this. It's a very cool tone shade, and the bright color that this is, it's going to suit a lot of skin tones. So if you even if you have like medium to duskier skin tones, this blush will suit you. So you can instantly see that it looks like I've been out in cold and I'm freezing. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this blush and also take it on my eyes. It's just my thing. I really like to apply a little bit of blush on my eyes always. Like I told you that you do not have to use powder now. Why? Because we are going to set this blush. If you'll not use any powder blush on top of this will budge throughout the day. So you have to make sure that your makeup is long lasting. Now there is two ways that you can set this. Now you can use your setting powder to set it, but if you use your setting powder, it will take away a lot of color. Or you could also use a second blush on top of it. Like I'm gonna be using this blush by Sugar. It is the shade Mauve Marvel. It is the mini blush. Now you can clearly see that I absolutely love this blush and I've been using it for quite a lot of time. It might feel like I've applied a lot of blush. What you can do is take back your beauty blender and just tap it. Don't budge it a lot because your powder blush will start to move. So just tap it a little bit to subdue it. So next product that I have is this Maybelline's Sky High Mascara. Make sure you grab this. Like, this is the best mascara. It is waterproof. I'm going to show you the difference it gives to your eyes. It really lengthens your lashes and it also coats them well. It looks like you have false eyelashes on. So I'm just gonna do like a one proper coat and show you. Mind you, these set of eyelashes I have actually chopped off by mistake, but even then you will see that how much it adds the length and drama to your lashes. Now can you actually see the difference? Wow, it's just one coat. It is the most viral mascara and it is actually really good. So you do not even need 2 coats of this mascara. Like I personally like 1 coat of it. Like you can see that it looks very natural. It looks like I have eyeliner on because it is super black and it coats your lashes really well. A must buy. Do check this mascara out. If out of all the products that I've shown you in this video, if you want to get one product, get this mascara. Lastly, I'm going to be going in with this Key Rose pink lipstick. Now this has been my current favorite. Now this is a matte lipstick. It will dry you out. If you do not want to invest in a matte lipstick, go for the Maybelline's Vinyl Ink Saucy. You know that it is my most favorite shade. Now how I like to use it is that it's a rosy pink shade. So I like to take a little bit of it, dab it. I'm leaving the link to buy all these products in the description, so make sure you check them out. Now this is my new favorite lipstick currently because it really complements my cheeks, this flushed cheeks that I create for the winter time. If you feel like you've used powder products, make sure you set your face. If you do not want that powdery look, you can use any makeup setting spray of your choice. So this is the fresh and dewy and natural I'm in cold makeup look. With most of these products are in the range of 500, 600, and some of them are in like 200 range, also 100, 200 range. So all these products are amazing. I'm leaving the link to buy them in your description. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, comment down below if you want me to make a particular video. I will shoot it very soon, and do share your thoughts on how you like this look, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye.